Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll sketch a snowy winter night. It took 2 hours to finish. I have listed out all the tools that I have used in the video description. To start, I have drawn an outline. So to shade, we'll start by shading the sky with light charcoal pencil in layers. I'll have to shade till this outline that I'm just drawing. So we'll keep on shading in layers. We'll have to make sure that there are no gaps in between. Now, since we have shaded till here, since I forgot that I have to draw moon, so I used a sticker which was readily available. Now I'm blending the sky using a paintbrush. I was making sure that there is no gap, so if there is any, just try to cover it up, shade and then blend. Blend it well so that there are no gaps, otherwise it won't look good. Here now I am using a kneadable eraser to lighten few portions of the sky. It's a snowy night, but it won't look if it's a dark sky. So this is around the moon. Just trying to lighten. Now I'm adding trees and bushes. Since it's night, we can add shadows of trees. Now I'm blending. Just try to blend it. Just making sure the sky is looking perfect, so trying to lighten the shade. I've used white pen and white pencil to add snow effect, but you can use an eraser pen to give it a better look. Finally, we'll remove the sticker and blend the surrounding area a bit, and this is the final picture. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.